Identity theft is a massive problem. Last year alone, 16 million Americans had their identity stolen, and it's not a problem that is limited to the US. In the UK, nearly 1.8 million people had their identities stolen. That equates across the G7 to something like $100 billion. And if you look at it across the rest of the world, that's nearly $300 billion that's being stolen from us every single year.
From ordering food online, requesting a taxi, checking our bank accounts, more of our lives today are spent online.
Fraud, scams, phishing, these are all issues that people are really grappling to deal with. At Heliocor, our mission is really to change the way the world does business by restoring trust. Each bank is building its own fortress to protect against the fraudsters. Each individual is having to look after themselves, and they don't have the tools. When we looked at the problem, we thought, let's just invert that. Let's see if we can come up above the problem and create a whole system for protecting against fraud and protecting digital identity.
We are not a company starting from scratch. In fact, we have been in the market now for 4 years. We have developed the product. We have sold it to some of the biggest global banks and organizations in the world.
We have clients based in North America. We have clients based in Europe. We are slowly but surely expanding in Asia as well.
Today, we sell our technology to banks. They use it to identify risks, problems, and fraud. Now, what we intend to do is to take that technology and use it to help protect consumers. We've been building our products, Robolytics and DocStore, for over 3.5 years.
Robolytics is a regulatory compliance solution. It's multi-asset class cross-regulation. It's underpinned by new technologies, AI, machine learning, neural networks and blockchain. It covers all regulations on a single platform.
Robolytics, our technology as we speak, currently monitors 15% of the world's daily global FX transactions.
It's cost effective, it's easily implemented and updated as regulations evolve.
And then for their customers and for individuals generally, we've got DocStore, which is a mobile app, place to store their digital identity documents safely on the blockchain.
Every organization has their information on customers. What we want is to move this information from the banks to the persons and try to collaborate together and have the maximum synergies of identities across all the organizations.
Between those two components, we can build that ecosystem, that place where we can eradicate fraud and really combat this scourge of digital identity theft. And in so doing, we think we can change the way the world does business.
Any regulated business in the world can be Heliocor's customer because we are the only company in the world who is multi-regulatory and cross-asset.
The market is absolutely huge, and if we execute our plan, which I have no doubt that we will be the dominant player in terms of digital identity.
So the next 2 to 3 years roadmap that we have is very clear. We will be onboarding multiple clients on a monthly basis.
We have a unique solution to the market. This gives us a great opportunity to grow the business while solving and tackling a real global problem.